In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the battery of your ride-on toy. Like this one is the ride-on bike. So we are going to replace with the new battery. So look for the side where you can access the battery compartment. So it may be here on the other side. In this bike it's on this side. Unscrew this section. So here we can see the battery is inside. We can just pull it out, remove the terminals. So replace it with the same size battery. So this one is a little bit bigger, but still it will fit there. So the red goes to the red terminal and the black goes to the negative terminal, that is here. And now we can place it back. So once it is placed back, we can close this section. So let's check working. Thanks for watching.